Hey there! In this video, I will walk you through on how to log into Work One. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged in and ready to go in no time. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. I'm using Google Chrome right here. Let's tap into that. And at the very top, you can see a search bar. Let's tap there and you can type in Work One login since we're going to log in and hit enter. Now here you'll be given lots of options of the Work One, but make sure you tap into the official account, which is this one right here. And that's it. You'll be greeted with the login page. All you gotta do is fill in that blank space. At the very first field, let's type in our username, and at the second one, let's type in our password. And that's it. All you gotta do is hit that sign in button that's in pink color and you'll be signed into your Work One account. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Basics, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and share. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.